About 4 months ago, I lost my first ever DJI Neo. And I did it by flying it into an irrigation ditch. Well, actually, technically, I flew it first into a tree and got it stuck, then spent about an hour and a half trying to find it, because at the time I didn't know how to turn on the beeping sound. It's a bit embarrassing. And then when I found it, it was at the top of this tree, which was above a deep irrigation ditch. And stupidly, I tried to climb that tree. If anyone comes past me, they're gonna think I'm insane. Maybe I am. And as I was climbing it, the Neo fell in. So it's been sitting at the bottom of this watery grave for the last 4 months. Probably a good 10 feet deep, I'd say, at least. But you can also see it's started to dry out nicely. So there's a little bit of water down there, but I've got my wellies on and I'm gonna see if I can get in there to retrieve the drone. I'd be amazed just to see whether or not it still turns on. It's a bit steep here. I think I'll be able to climb out of it if I get down there. Right, oh Jesus, this is steep. Okay, let's just kind of shuffle down here. The other thing is, I don't know how deep this is. Whoa, Jesus Christ, okay, that's deep. Oh no, I'm out. Okay, we can't go in there. Okay, that's not gonna happen. Okay, let's not do that. Oh my God. I think the Neo's not coming back. Okay, so the attempt to retrieve the crashed drone clearly wasn't successful. I wasn't actually going to fly today because it's really, really windy. But I really just fancied it. So I've managed to come out. I'm going to try and find a little spot somewhere over this field, I think. After that, there is like a little recreation ground near where I am, which was quite busy when I was just there a minute ago, and it was pretty busy. There were quite a few people. There was someone flying a kite, and it's kind of, I don't want to annoy people too much. What I'm going to do is do maybe a battery here, and then maybe head back over that way and see whether some of those people have moved on. And if they have, then I might crack the drone out there. It's very bumpy. So this is just a massive grass field. I'm actually mega allergic to grass pollen, but that might be a nice incentive not to crash, because I'll have to go and get it and it'll probably kill me. Let's go and have a look in here quickly. Massive stinging nettles. Oh God, oh, don't hit them. Oh, there's quite a lot of stinging nettles. It's an interesting little spot. There's a bridge over there. This could be quite a cool little spot to fly. There's something about just being out in the open without anyone around. Let's see how we go here. Let's get my launch pad ready. It's an incredibly windy day, so I want to be quite careful, especially flying near trees and stuff. All right, let's get out there. Like I said, mega windy out here. So just take it a bit easy, I think. Oh yeah, gosh. Oh wow. Yeah, straight to 40 mile an hour down here because of the wind. There's a little river over here as well, look. Gap. Oh, it's starting to rain a bit, I think. That ain't ideal. Oh. Oh, that wind. Oh, oh my God. Should we hit this little one? Ah! Nope. All right. There it is. Oh, thank God for beeping. I reckon if I'm a bit careful, I can get over here, through here. Jesus, lost my shoe. Ah, where is it? I think let's head over to the wreck now. Right, I think it seems pretty quiet here right now. There is no one on the playing field, which is great. It is raining, which is probably why they're not here. What I'm going to do is fly from underneath this tree. I'm nicely sheltered under here. Don't think I want to be flying the Neo in heavy rain. Well, maybe we'll give it a little whirl and see how it gets on. I think they're pretty robust. I think they can deal with a bit of rain. What I really want to do is just get some power loops around those goalposts over there, if you can see them in the distance, right over there. Oh. Okay, yeah, it's rainy. Ah. Oh, he stood up. It's right over there, bugger. There it is. He's in there. Oh, it's really raining. Let's get under this tree. Oh, Christ. Crashed straight into a tree. Okay. All right. Let's wait here. Something really peaceful about being in the rain under a tree sheltering. I'm going to take one final flight, I think. Just a quick whip round. I'll probably regret that in about 5 minutes. I just think power looping here might be a bad idea. I've done exactly the same thing. Mate, what's wrong with me? Right in amongst them all. Oh. Rain's actually eased off now for a minute. I'll just let these people with their dogs go. I don't want to freak out any dogs, you know. Also don't want to crash into a farmer's field if I can help it. The problem is doing that power loop through here. Seems really hard because you have to get really low. Oh, that was really fun. I'm actually really enjoying flying here. Just having a few obstacles is like, makes all the difference. Yeah, it's really fun. Just like being able to orbit around these guys. Definitely getting better with my orbits, I think. You know? I was struggling with them. Oh, God. Oh, I was struggling with them, he says, struggling. I think the kids are cheering, that's hilarious. They like the power loops. What can I say? Got to please the fans, haven't you? They love it. Yeah, like doing a power loop back underneath that goal after I've gone through it feels like that would be really hard to do. Because you've got to be so low. What are they saying? I think they're saying do a loop-the-loop. Sorry guys, it's not your flight, is it? Come on. Oh no. Oh, okay. We're still up, we're still okay. I can hear them all going. Well, not near the tree. Oh, that was too close. Way too close. I don't want to get too cocky here. Well, don't hit the goal. Oh God, I don't even hit that goalpost. Do you guys feel more comfortable orbiting one way than the other? And if so, which way do you feel more comfortable with? I think I feel more comfortable going anti-clockwise. It's getting quite rainy. I might have to come in a minute. Do a flip, that's what they're saying. Putting on a little air show for these guys. Whoa! God. Oh, okay, pause. Oh no, okay, not good. Not good, he's out of control. Oh mate, something happened there. The gimbal got messed up. They're already heading over. They're running over. I'm hoping they're just going to help me find it, not actually just steal my drone from me. Did you see where it went? Did you see where it went? No. Somewhere in the field.
What, in the farm crop?
Yeah, it went in the field somewhere. It's covered in grass. Thanks guys. I'm not sure if I'm going to actually be able to show any of that, but because I'm not sure if I got any of the kids' faces or whatever, and I don't want to sort of show them obviously on camera. But kids came over and helped me find it. They were super excited. They were saying how cool it was. They were saying it was apparently, according to them, it was sick. That's the official grading. All right, we're back on. Let's just see how this gimbal's feeling. .45% battery. Not into the tree. Hey everyone, sorry to disturb, I'm just doing the edit. Just to let you know, I've taken out a chunk of the video here because the kids were basically on the field running around. I was flying the drone around and they were chasing it, having loads of fun. But I didn't want to put it on because it's probably going to show their faces and stuff like that. And I don't feel comfortable with doing that. So I'm cutting the next kind of chunk of the video out, unfortunately. But yeah, let's just skip ahead to what happened next. I hope not. Oh no. No. No, not in the tree. Ah, it went in the bloody tree. Oh, they're excited anyway. Can you see it?
Oh wait, no.
Oh wait, no wait, it's here.
Yes!
Yes!
Yeah!
Oh, thank God. All right, cheers to kids. Oh, bless them. Right, at least we got it back. That could have been bad. I'm going to pack up for the day. That was really fun, quite wholesome. Those kids really, really loved seeing the drone flying around. They were chasing it and just loving it. And every time it crashed, they were running to try and help me find it. It was just a really fun game for them. Really nice, really nice. First field was quite fun, but actually the most fun was definitely here at this kind of recreation ground. Having some goalposts to go around and some different obstacles was really fun. And also just like being a bit safer from, if you do crash, it's not the end of the world because you've got short grass, you can pretty much find it wherever you crash. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do drop me a like. Also consider subscribing. I've got loads more FPV content to come with the Neo and hopefully other drones in future. And yeah, just drop me a comment and let me know what you thought of today's video. I'd really appreciate it. All right, until next time, have a wonderful week. Bye.